is Dennis and Anhil from PMA to offer a quick demonstration on how to conduct a successful interactive planning session in a virtual environment with more than one user. This video will demonstrate how two users can independently control and modify a project schedule. For this demonstration, we will utilize Microsoft Teams as the hosting platform. We selected Teams as it allows two independent users to control the screen. Once the team meeting has been started, as we've done here, the user can share their screen and allow for a second user to control and change items. As you can see, the other user has requested control. I will hit allow, and you can see we have two users on the screen. We will also leverage NetPoint's scheduling software to help demonstrate the benefits of the graphical planning method and how it can be utilized during interactive planning sessions. Now, Anhil will walk us through our schedule.
Thanks, Dennis. So for this example, the project owner and the construction manager need to define how the owner procure equipment will be installed and commissioned in a facility that is currently under construction. So as you can imagine, this is a scope of work that requires close coordination between both parties to make sure that all the work is properly sequenced. For these demonstration purposes, I'm going to behave as a CM. I'm going to worry about the CM scope, while you, Dennis, worried about the owner scope. Each party can control our own activities and sequences the right way as we determine so. So for these purposes, the first step is to identify the scope of work that needs to be completed. So we're going to assume that the building is ready for MEP rough. So now I need to worry about my MEP roughs and my MEP finishes, while you need to worry about your equipment installation and your commissioning work. So I'm going to start sequencing my MEP finishes. So on my end, I need to have my MEP roughs done before I can start my MEP finishes. And I'm going to link them together. And then in order to complete my MEP finishes, I need two things. I need to have the first scope of my MEPs, but I also need your owner equipment install.
That makes sense by me. Thank you, Anhil. Now, for me to figure out how the owner is going to install our equipment is obviously we need to have the space roughed in with with MEPs first. So I'm going to move that after the MEP rough and make that logic tie. Now we have MEP rough happening prior to owner equipment installation. We will also want to have the owner equipment installed before starting up our equipment and completing commissioning. That work is also required. That will be the preceding work that allows us to declare our project complete. I will make that logic tie as well. During our conversations with the team, we figured out that our owner equipment installation was a little optimistic, and we'd like to increase that duration from 10 days out to 20 days. This process of working through the coordinated pull plan effort with our team allows both the construction manager and the owner to have input into the process. We both have the opportunity to adjust our activities. We both have the opportunity to adjust our logic and to understand what each change does to the schedule. In this example, we have our critical path aligned with the project completion date of 7/31, and our resource loading has followed suit below, which allows us insight into the resources we will need. Hopefully this example has provided you information to collaborate online in a virtual environment with two unique users.